Creating a subform to display related data is quite simple. Here we have a student club finance table showing an auto number field, student identification field, and the fees owed based on the club the student has joined. What we want to do is we want to show this information on our student primary form. So whilst we consider a student, we also know how much the student owes in their clubs that they've joined. So what I need to do is go to design view in this table, open the table up a little bit. I go look for my student club finance, and I can drag this table onto this form. And the wizard will pop up and it's going to show me the connections. Normally I choose my own connection, the connection between the existing form and the new table you're dragging in. So I'm going to choose my own. From the form itself, the student identification is what I'm linking to, and the subform I'm bringing is the same student identification. So click next. I can maintain the name, and it's going to create a subform for me here. Let me word in the subform, make it a little bit shorter. And let me see what this looks like. I save the changes, I go to form view, and here you see that I can even resize this table. And here I have obviously the item number is something I don't really want to keep track of. So I can actually right click on it and hide it. And I would like to, sorry, it's still showing. I can click and drag any field and reorder it. I don't want the student ID to show up here because I already see it here. Student identification. Right click, hide it. So now I see the club name and how much Mary owes. So she owes in the chess club and the soccer club $60 and $50 alike. If I go to the next record, Evans only owes the chess club $5. So as I go in, some students don't owe anything and others do. So this has linked this subform data sheet to this form. So now I can have related information. Example, how many times somebody has entered the shop, maybe their primary information, and every time they enter the shop, the purchasing the history that they have. Or we could have also done the same thing for tuition. We have dragged tuition in here and show the tuition data. So this is how to bring a subform into a main form.